Hey guys, well in the last video I drew up these crown rollers in Fusion 360, and today I was out on the G0602 and I turned these. These are just some idler rollers for a 1-inch belt sander. It was a pretty interesting project. There were 3 different setups. One setup to face and turn this bearing pocket. Then I had to also turn the internal diameter so that it was concentric with the bearing pocket here, and also would slide over a mandrel. And you can just tighten the set screw down, and then you can turn this outside profile and keep everything concentric. So this was a 7/8 inch mandrel, and I just turned it down to 20 millimeters, and then the roller will just slide down and butt up against this shoulder and keep everything true. So there was 3 operations: the facing and turning of the internal bore, as well as the bearing pocket here. Then we turned it around, turned this bearing pocket, and then the outside profiling. So let's go out to the G0602 and we'll see how these were turned. Alright, so now I've got my round tubing. This is 1.5 inches and the ID is 0.75, and it's about 1.25 inches, 1 3/16 long. So I've taken the turning on the outside and set the outside diameter, DRO, and I've also taken the turning on the inside with my boring bar and made sure that that diameter was also correct in the DRO. So now it's just a matter of running the G code. We're going to face it and then turn the inside diameter for a 26 millimeter bearing. Got the front done. Now we're going to flip it around and we're going to do the back. Let's check the fit on this one. But it's nice and flush there. So nice finish there. Alright, so now we're going to stick it on our arbor. Like so. We'll loosen it up. We'll slide it on there. Zoom out here. This has a tapered set screw, so when it goes in, it'll spread that out. Nice and tight on there. And we're going to tighten it up. Should be good. Put a little mark right there. Try to get it back in the same spot. Alright, so I've got the stock in there. I've got it on the mandrel, and I've got it set up. I'm running it in a fixture G59P9. So here we go. Alright, put our grooving tool back in. Quick little grooving operation. As you can see, we're not really doing much with that grooving operation, but it is kind of squaring up those shoulders just a little bit. So I want to make sure I get that done. Alright, there you go. Alright, well that wraps up the video on the 1-inch crowned roller. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment. Thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And most importantly, be safe.